Hello, Sam. Can you please recite from memory? Hello. Can you recite from memory, please? What equation are we using here? Go ahead. Good. Is the front row even gone? Okay. Angela, can you give me a piece of information, please? Yeah, good. Luke, can I get another piece of information, please? Good. Taylor, can I get another piece of information, please?
I is 0.0002.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 2. Is that right? Okay, now be very, very careful with that. Okay? And that is not rounded. That's the exact number that it gets. Okay, I tried to pick it there. And there's nothing for n, and sort of solve for it. All right, Ty, can you slip some numbers in for me, please?
1200.
Yeah.
1.25 bracket 1.0002. The n minus
Yeah.
over 0.002.
Excellent. All right, Shelby, you're up. What do we do? Good. What does that turn into?
900.
Victoria, what do we do now, please?
60 by 0.
Good. What do we get?
0.1.
192. And that's exact, no rounding there? Okay, cool. And that's 1.0002 to the n minus 1. Ivan, you're up. What do you do now, please? Yeah, you add 1. It just says subtract 1 on this side, right? You just want to get it by itself. So you add 1 to here. This turns to 1.192. Now notice what we did not do, and I shouldn't even say this because you guys are in the zone right now. Don't subtract 1 from here and make this 0.0002 to the end. Somebody will do that. I'm not going to mention names. You know who you are, though. Okay. Yeah, don't do that. Okay. So you're moving it to the right. All right. Go. What do you do next? Log of everything. Good. Oops, it's time's end. All right, Cody, what do you do now, please? Divide. So it turns to, yes, 1.192 divided by log of 1.1232 equals n. Kayla, our final answer is what? A78.25? Somebody confirm that? Okay, so unfortunately for Alex, it will take 878 days. How many years is that? 2.4 years. That's sad. But the nice thing is about the 0.25, Alex, is you won't have it on your drive to school, but with the 0.25, you'll have it on their way back, though. Right? So that's a good thing there. Okay. All right, enough with crappy jokes from your teacher. I'm going to stop this here right now.